Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to everyone happy and beautiful days. Bone lamb for 100 people will be boiled on this video. Vegetable and watery meal. The neck part of the lamb is divided into the middle part of the leg part. Calculated as 2 or 3 parts per one piece. These meats will be cooked bony. Chop and prepare meats. Chopped meat for 10 minutes with boiling water. Add meats in a large pot. Add salt and add boiling water. Boil the meat for 10 minutes. If foam forms on the meat, you need to take foam. Add the meat that is waiting in boiling water for 10 minutes into the strainer. Remove the meat and remove the water. You can open the middle portion of the meat and keep it in the air. Two liters of oil added to a large pot. The oil is expected to warm up and the meat is added into the heated oil. Stir fry the meat in hot oil. Help your videos reach more people by showing appreciation. You can make more people see you by appreciating. Thanks to everyone for support. Wait for 1 minute and after stirring. Wait 1 minute again and stir. Add the bay leaf into the meat after frying. Add a few garlic. Add 1 kilogram of whole onion. Add salt. Add boiling water at the same level as the meat. Get the foam from the top. Mix a little and close the cover. The fire will cook for 3 hours. Keep celery in water and wash. Cut green stalks of washed celery. Peel celery root. Divide the roots of celery into several pieces. This way you can add celery to your meat dishes. The meat is slowly boiling and the foam that forms on it is quite foamy. Add the chopped celery, stir one round and close the lid. Prepare other vegetables while the meat is baking. Potatoes will be added and plenty of potatoes must be peeled. Add some carrots. Add enough carrots to add color to the meal. Peeled carrots cross and cut into large pieces. Prepared 3 kilograms of chopped carrots. Add chopped carrots into your 2-hour boiled dish. After about 1 hour the food will be cooked. Chop potatoes in large slices. Add flour into a deep container. Add cold water and stir. Mix cold water and sifted wheat flour as soup consistency. Add black pepper. Add the mixture prepared by mixing into your meal. Add the patties when the meat is cooked for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the potatoes will be cooked and serve some food and serve. Lentil soup. Bulgur pilaf. Meat boil. Green salad. We came to the end of a detailed video recipe for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. Goodbye, to see you in another recipe.